Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing good. Now, in this video, you will learn about list data type in Python. You will see practically one by one what is list, how can we access the list element, how can we modify, how can we delete. All these operations we will perform practically. So, what is list? List is a sequence data type that can store multiple values. It is enclosed within a square bracket. Let us see with an example. Open the ID. First of all, we create a list. So take a variable base is equal to a square bracket and element. We can add multiple elements like Monday, Tuesday, separated with a comma. So this way we can create a list and add multiple items in a single variable. Now question, how can we access the list element? Simply, we can access the list element by using the index value. So now you can understand what is the index value of the first element 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This way. We can also access the list element in the right to left. So index value would be -1, -2, -3, like this. So first of all, uh, display the first element of the list. Can use the here the print neck, then days, and within a square bracket we can write down here the index position. So like Monday, you can write down this way. So what will be the output of this one? Will display the first element, that is the Monday. Just run and check the. So now you can see here the output is Monday. Similarly, you can access any element within the just first. It will show the Tuesday, second element, 0, 1, right? And if you want to access the Friday, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will show F1. We can also access the list element right rightmost position, that is the -1. So it will display what? It will display the Friday. I hope it is clear how to access the list element. Now I'm just going to show you how you can modify the list element. Right? Modify, just I want to modify the first element. Can write down base and index value of the first element, that is the 0, is equal to, I'm just going to modify like Monday. Right? If we check, see the print days, you can find first element has been changed, right? So this way you can modify the list element like this way, right? Now we perform the insert operation. Add. How can we add element at the list items? First of all, for this, I'm just going to write down the print and days append append function we will use. And I'm just going to add an element at it will add an element at the end of the list item. Just for Friday Saturday. I'm just going to add right. So it will appear at the end of the list item. Just let run the program and you will get the last element. At the end, I'm able to add by using the append method. Similarly, you can also add the element at the any specified position. Print. Now you can write down days dot insert. Here you can write down the which position you want to insert. I'm just going to add an element at the very first position, that is the zeroth element, right? And the value should be center. So this way we can add an element, right? And now check the element, run the program, and you will find the I have added first, the very first position, the element that is center. So we can add an element by using the append. It will add at the end of the element. If you want to add an element in any specified position, we can use here the insert method, where we can specify the index position and the element which you want to add. Now we will perform the delete operation. Here we just want to print, write down the days dot remove. Remove, I just want to remove the first zero element, zero index one, that is center. So now you can check by using the run the list. Here you can find out I have removed here the specified element which I have mentioned here. Another way also you can remove the element by using the clear. Print days dot clear. So this way we can delete all the list items at one at once. So now you can check we have nothing in the list element here, it's empty. So I hope you will able to understand what is list, how can we create a list items, how can we add, how can we modify the list item, how can we remove the list. So various functions we have used to perform the create, insert, update, and delete. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.